theory is functional theory given by Kelman. What functional theory states is attitude is formed on the motives that you have or the goal that you want to achieve. That is Kelman's functional theory. So Kelman has given 3 functional theories of attitude formation: compliance, internalization, and identification. Compliance means what? You're forming an attitude to please someone. That is compliance. For example, your boss likes horror movies and you want to please your boss. You also start liking horror movies. You start watching horror movies and you start liking horror movies. Okay, that is to please someone, to comply to someone. You form a particular attitude. Second is identification. Identification is you form an attitude because you identify with the influencing agent. So somebody you idealize. There are social media influencers. Brands are hiring these influencers to have a positive impact on their brands, on their products. Why? Because identification. You start forming your attitude because you identify with that influencer. You adopt the attitude of your influencing agent because it helps you build a self-determining relationship with the influencing agent. So, whatever the influencer is having a positive attitude towards, you start having the positive attitude towards that product. Okay, so here you're not complying, you're not trying to impress the influencer because you attach yourself to the influencer, because you identify yourself to the influencer. That's why you are adopting the attitude towards various objects that the influence similar to the influencer. Okay, next is internalization. You adopt, you form various attitudes on the basis of your existing value system, on the basis of your existing beliefs. Internalization. Okay, something that already exists in your internal system, you start adopting similar attitudes. For example, you have a positive attitude towards honesty. Okay, so you will also start having a positive attitude towards hard work because it is consistent with your already existing values, already existing beliefs and feelings. Okay, so this is your functional theory: compliance, internalization, and identification.